Hello, Joy friends, and welcome to Cynthia's Joyful Creations. My name is Cynthia, and I am your host today. And as you can see in the title below, we have a Crochet Society unboxing. I am so excited. I thought the mail lady came before my Bible study, and apparently she didn't. But right after it was over, look at what came. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? I love the boxes just as much as I love what's inside of them. But oh my gosh, look how pretty, you guys. Look at all the blues and the yellows. I just love it. All right, were you ready to hear some joy? To me, this is what joy sounds like. Oh, some pretty paper. Ooh, escape to your happy place. I like the sound of that already. Oh my goodness. Look how nice. Look at all that pretty yellow. I love the colors that they used in this box. All right, let me get this open. I'm almost there. Okay. There we go. Gosh. Look how pretty, you guys. The blue matches the box. Look how soft and squishy that looks. Oh my goodness, let's take a look. So we've got 3 nice big size skeins of yarn. And let's just take a look at this blue one. It's called Bambino Double Knitting. It is 100% premium acrylic. And it is in the colorway shade Vintage Blue. And these are it says Clotted Cream. Look at those. Let me bring them back. There you go. There's the true colors of them. Oh my goodness. So it says that this is 100 grams. It's a Stylecraft, a Spectrum yarn brand. And there's approximately 290 yards in each ball. And look at those little feet prints on them. I love those. Those are so adorable. And so soft. Here's a squishy test. Oh, feels so good. All right. Lots and lots of lots and lots of cotton, and I've got some goodies mixed up in there. Ooh, look at this pretty stitch marker. It matches the box. I love this stitch marker. It's got a little bit of fuzz on it, but look at that stitch marker. Oh, there it is, focusing. Whoops. Oh my goodness. Let me try it that way. There we go. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can help get this focused in here. Okay. Sorry. It is not coming in very well. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love that. And then we've got this little packet. And we've got some amigurumi eyes. So I'm going to put those back in so they don't get lost. And you guys, what is this? What is this? Look. I love that color. Love, love that color. That's the color, part of the color combo of the theme for my channel logo. It says a chart keeper. Okay. I'm trying to slide this off. And it's got Bella Coco on the front. I don't know if you can see it because it's engraved. There you go. And let's take a look. So it snaps. Love that. Look at that pretty design there. Oh my goodness. You guys, it's a magnetic board. I absolutely love it for putting your crochet patterns on. Look at that. That is so nice. I really like that. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. And then it looks like, I guess we could possibly, let me just see. Yes. Of course, I crinkled my paper, but we can do the snaps backwards. Perhaps. Maybe not. But oh my gosh, you guys. It is literally a pattern keeper. I love that. That is so nice. Oh, that is so nice. Okay. And look at this hook. This is what I got excited about a minute ago, was I could see this hook. Look how pretty that hook is. Oh, I love that. It's a 4mm hook. That is exactly the size hook I am using in my current whip. Oh, that is beautiful. I love that. Oh my gosh, how nice is that? Oh, wow. That is so nice. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh well. I was trying, there we go. There we go. You can see the head there, and you can see the pattern there. That is so nice. Trying to get it the right angle of the camera. Oh, there we go. That's nice. Okay. And I love the design of the book. Oh, wow. It feels so nice and thick. Much better than the books in the past. But look at that. Isn't that cute? And I love how it looks like they've possibly put the designers' names at the bottom there. Well, let's open it up. There's our beautiful Sarah Jane, and she says, "Welcome to your Island Escape Crochet Society box. Are you ready to escape to your own private island? Relax on the shores while crocheting the day away as you watch a family of happy turtles stroll by. What better way to spend a day? When you are ready to jet off, remember to take all the items in this exciting box with you. Use your new magnetic pattern keeper book along with these pretty magnets to display your patterns for true crafting luxury. Included in this box is your custom designed stitch marker and a unique crochet hook so you can jump into these beautiful and relaxing projects as soon as you recline on your beach towel. The patterns in this month's booklet are ideal for losing yourself as you sit on a sandy beach. Escape the day-to-day pressures with this incredible family of turtles pattern from amigurumi legend Sachio Ishii. I don't want to missay the name. There's also a dainty baby blanket from Haley Hodge and an elegant shawl by Mary Rinja, who we sat down with this month for a tea and chat. I always love to see your finished creation, so remember to tag your finished makes. And you can appear in our next Readers Makes pages. Happy crocheting, Sarah Jane. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, before we look at the patterns, I always flip to the middle just to make sure that I completely understand everything that we got in the book. And I'm pretty sure that we have oh my gosh, I am just in love with that Pattern Keeper book. That is so pretty. So there is our book with everything in it. All right, let's look at our patterns real quickly. All right, our first pattern is this scarf is an ode to the beautiful island of Santorini, a place that instantly sends your mind into vacation mode. And that is the scarf there. And let me see if they've got another picture of it. And of course they do. And I'm going to come close so all you're seeing is the scarf. That is pretty. Loving that. All right, and our next project are the sea turtles. Watch and wonder as these family of sea turtles potter by while you relax on your own private island. Aren't those adorable? They're so cute. Look. Oh, I love turtles too. Turtles, butterflies, elephants. And then a blanket. Wrap your little one in a wave of love with this gorgeous ocean-inspired blanket. Oh, wow, that is really different. Look at that. That is pretty. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Ah. And here is another look at it. Let me see if I can get in here. Yes. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I always love these boxes. Well, thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this Crochet Society unboxing as much as I did. And in the link below, or description box below, is a link if you are interested in trying to get your own Crochet Society box. And I'm excited to say that they have marked some on sale, and you can even try one at a really extremely low price right now. So definitely go on over and check out their boxes. All right, well, take care. Be joyful, stay crafty in your own way, make your own joyful creations, and above everything else, be humble and kind, and escape to your own happy place, wherever that may be. All right, you guys, take care, and I'll see you again soon for the next unboxing. And by the way, This was box number 37, I believe. Oh, I normally tell y'all, I know it's in the title. I can't see the title. I was going to see if I could find out real quickly. Yes, it is box number 37. So, all right. Thank you for joining me. Bye.